There's a form sitting in your inbox right now that someone needs you to do something about. And 3 more just came in while you were reading that sentence. Copy this here, paste that there, assign it to Sarah, tag it urgent, and send a reminder. Instead of actually doing the work, you end up just moving it around. What if every form that landed in your system knew exactly what to do next without you becoming the coordinator? That's what AI can do for you. So, this video will show you 6 steps to automate forms with AI and keep your team in motion. Let's make forms work for you instead of the other way around. Step 1, figure out where forms are slowing you down. You can't automate what you haven't identified. So start by asking, where's the actual breakdown happening? Is your sales team waiting 3 days for leads to get routed? Are customer support forms disappearing into Slack threads? Pinpoint the exact moment where manual work steals your time. That's your starting point. Step 2, use a platform where forms connect to everything else. If your form tool only gives you responses in a spreadsheet, you're still doing half the work manually. You need forms that live where the work actually happens. That's exactly what ClickUp Forms does. It's built directly into your workspace, right alongside your tasks, docs, timelines, and team. So when someone fills out a request, it doesn't generate a notification you have to act on. It generates a task that's already in the right place. Your tasks, your docs, your timelines, your chat, all talking to each other. No more copying data from one place to another. Just connected work that flows. Step 3, design forms that actually respond to answers. And this is where AI adds a real layer of intelligence. Instead of just collecting responses, AI can interpret them as they come in, spotting intent, tagging themes, and flagging urgent issues automatically. So a vague complaint gets categorized correctly, a high-priority request gets surfaced faster, and patterns start to emerge without manual sorting. Strong forms also guide people with the right structure. Short text for quick context, drop-downs for clear categorization, file uploads for proof, so inputs arrive organized rather than scattered. Add clear wording, logical grouping, and a bit of thoughtful branding, and the form stops feeling like a generic survey. Step 4, train AI to build smarter questions before launch. Your form is built. Questions are in place. Conditional logic is set. But here's the question. Are you asking the right things? Most people guess. They think about what might be useful and hope it works. With a context-aware AI assistant like ClickUp Brain, you don't have to guess. You've already got the data. It analyzes your past form data to help you build better questions. You can ask it to summarize common complaints from past tickets, then use those insights to pre-fill categories in your new form. Step 5, automate what happens after submit. You've built a smart form. The questions are optimized. Someone fills it out and hits submit. Now what? This is where forms can start becoming workflows. In ClickUp, super agents can triage submissions for you. They are the world's first AI teammates that give you superpowers to do more than humanly possible. So, when a new intake form comes in, your super agent analyzes the response, categorizes the request, assigns it to the right team, and sets priority levels automatically. It's like having an always-on coordinator who never sleeps and never misses a detail. Step 6, test, launch, and keep improving. Once your automations are set, preview the entire flow. Test it with a sample submission to make sure every trigger fires correctly. When everything looks good, publish your form and share the URL via email, chat, or embed it directly on your site. Remember, every submission instantly creates a task in your chosen list. After you're done with the launch, start tracking everything. Use ClickUp dashboards for this. It'll help you visualize trends, monitor drop-off points, and see what's working. Lastly, adjust your form fields, logic, or automations based on what the data tells you. Your forms get smarter every time someone uses them. When you automate forms with AI, they stop being paperwork and start being engines. ClickUp connects your forms to your work, ClickUp Brain makes them intelligent, and your team gets to focus on what actually moves the needle. Sign up for free today at clickup.com and watch what happens when your forms finally work as hard as you do.